Class monkeys. Today I wanted to first start a science experiment with an egg that we will look at for a few days, and then it'll take a few days, and then we'll just kind of see how it changes, and then we will um, look at it again next week and see what the final result is. So this is called the rubber egg experiment, and it's really simple. You just need, like, I'm going to use this glass mason jar. You need an egg, and this is just an egg from the fridge. It's not hard boiled, so it's just a regular egg. And then you need vinegar. So the first thing you do is just to pour, let's see, maybe I'll put the egg in first. I'm gonna carefully put the egg in because I don't want it to crack. I'm gonna let it go to the bottom of the jar. There we go. So the egg's in there. And now I'm going to pour the vinegar in. And really, you just need enough to cover it so that no part of the egg is sticking up. So you can see the level of the vinegar is up here and the egg's down here. And if I hold it close, you can already see that there is something going on because there are little tiny bubbles all around the outside of the eggshell. And there are some bubbles going to the surface of the vinegar, if you can see that. So already the experiment is starting. The reaction is starting between the egg and the vinegar. Okay, so we will check that egg each day and see how it changes. If you want to do this along with me, you can go ahead and get your own egg and your own container, and then some vinegar, and you can do one at home too, so you can have one at home. So that is the rubber egg experiment we're starting today. The other thing I wanted to talk about with you guys is today's story was a really good one that I like a lot, called An Extraordinary Egg. And so I wanted to talk to you about what extraordinary means, because if you look at this word up close, it's like it's extraordinary. Now, we know that ordinary, you may or may not know, but ordinary kind of means kind of not special, kind of just something that's regular that you see every day, not something that's surprising or different in any way. Ordinary just means expected and kind of what you see. But if you put the word extra in front of it to make the word extraordinary or extraordinary, that totally changes the meaning of that word. So I was looking up the definition of extraordinary, and extraordinary it's something that is like above and beyond what is expected, very unusual or remarkable. Other synonyms meaning words that have a similar meaning to extraordinary are amazing, exceptional, fantastic, incredible, and marvelous. So I wanted to talk about that because it's interesting that you start with the word ordinary and you put extra in front of it, and it changes the meaning of the word completely. Extraordinary is something very cool, and I believe that all of you guys are extraordinary because God made you, and He made you unique and marvelous and special and remarkable and amazing and fantastic. So I think all of you guys are extraordinary. So for today's question of the day, to go along with that story, An Extraordinary Egg, I want you to think of something that makes you extraordinary. Why are you extraordinary? Because you definitely are. So I want you to think of a reason as to why you're extraordinary. What makes you amazing, exceptional, fantastic, incredible, and marvelous? Okay, so that is today's question of the day, and that is the start of our rubber egg experiment. I hope you're having a great day. I love you. I miss you. Bye.